Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our students in grade 11, Technical 2, you are welcome to our new lesson. Please open your course book, Unit 3, Lesson 2. The title is Products. The lesson is in page 22 and page 23. Before we start, please let's have a look at the objectives of our lesson. Number one is to listen to the audio, extract specific information, and complete the table and the missing words in the sentences. So we need to listen to an audio and extract information to use this information in exercise 2 and 3. The second objective is to study the chart and use its details to complete the conversation. That will be in exercise number 6. Okay, now these are the key words of our lesson. We have only 2 words. We have complain. It means to say that you are annoyed or unhappy about somebody or something, to complain about that thing or that person. Diagonal, look at this picture. This is a diagonal line. It means joining 2 opposite sides of something at an angle. This is called diagonal. A to C or DB. This line DB is a diagonal line. Now please, let's start our lesson. Let's start with exercise number 2, listening. Listen and complete the details in the customer call record. This is a call record. The customer service now, when you call the customer service, the person there has this form, so he needs to listen to you, gets your request or your complaint, and fill in this table, okay? This is Delta Electronics, as you see. Now we need to listen and complete this table. Now here we have complained about fault in iPhone, cancelled order for classic ePhone, requested service assistant, requested ePhone catalog, requested information about ePhones, placed order for a classic ePhone. Now here on the left, the first column, we need to write the call number 1, 2, 3, like that. Here we need to write the name of the caller, the name of the customer. Okay, now please listen carefully.
Unit 3, Recording 10. Phone call 1.
Delta Electronics, this is customer service, Julia speaking. How can I help you?
Oh, hello. Do you sell ePhones?
Yes, we do. Would you like a catalogue?
Yes, I would, thanks.
Fine, I'll send you one right away. What's your name?
Willard.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Willard.
How do you spell that?
Willard.
And could I have your phone number, please?
0133 486
Phone call 2.
Delta Electronics, this is customer service, Julia speaking. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to order an ePhone, please.
Certainly. Which model would you like to order?
The classic one, please. The 12 GB model.
Fine. Could I have your name, please?
Jensen.
Did you say Johnson?
No, Jensen. Jensen.
And could you give me your phone number, please?
0288 345 0.
Phone call 3.
Delta Electronics, this is customer service, Julia speaking. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to cancel an order, please.
I see. Do you think you could tell me the model number, please?
It was a classic ePhone, 12 GB. I ordered it by phone yesterday.
Right. So do you want me to cancel it?
Yes, please.
OK. And what's your name, please?
It's Walters.
Could you repeat that, please?
Walters.
Thank you. And would you mind giving me your phone number, please?
It's 0987 3820.
Phone call 4.
Delta Electronics, this is customer service. Julia speaking. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like some information about the ePhone, please.
Certainly. What would you like to know?
Well, first of all, what's the screen size?
Let's see. Yes, it's 88.9 millimetres.
Oh, right. It's quite large.
Yes. Would you like me to send you a specification table?
Yes, I would, thanks.
Could I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Martinez.
Sorry, did you say Martins?
No, Martinez.
And could I have your phone number, please?
Yes, it's 9604338887.
Phone call 5.
Delta Electronics, this is customer service. Julia speaking. How can I help you?
Oh, hello. Yes, I bought a classic ePhone last week and it doesn't work.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem exactly?
I can't hear any sound.
Right. Shall I put you through to the service department?
Yes, please.
OK, hold on. Could you give me your name, please?
It's Brandt.
Could you say that again, please?
Brandt.
Thanks. And would you mind giving me your phone number, please?
Sure. It's 99770088.
Phone call 6.
Delta Electronics, this is customer service. Julia speaking. How can I help you?
Good morning. I wish to complain about a phone I bought from you.
Certainly. Would you mind telling me what the problem is?
The phone doesn't work. I can't make any phone calls.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you give me your name, please?
Yes, my name is Gray.
Is that AY or EY?
It's AY.
And could you tell me your phone number, please?
Yes, it's 3022 11816.
Okay, thank you for listening. Please now try to answer this exercise yourself. Please give yourself enough time. Pause the video and answer the exercise. Okay, thank you so much for answering. Now, please, I will show you the answers. Okay, as you see, call number 1 was Willard. He requested ePhone catalog. Call number 2 was Jensen, placed order for classic ePhone. Call number 3, Walters. Call number 4, Martinez. Call number 5, Brandt. And the last call was Gray, number 6. Please write these answers in your coursebook. Now, please, let's go to exercise number 3. In this exercise, you need to do 3 things. The first thing, please, I want you to go through the sentences 1 through 8. Read them carefully. Number 2, I want you to go back with the video and listen to the same audio that we have just listened to in exercise number 2. Listen to the audio again. Number 3, to get the answers or to extract the answers from the audio, and finally write them here in exercise number 8. Okay, so please listen to the audio again. You can go back with the video, then extract the answers and write them here. Please give yourself enough time. Now look at number 1. Sorry, you repeat that, please. This is phone. Here on the right, you are given the number of the call. The first sentence, you need to fill in the blank here from call number 1. Number 2 from call number 2. Number 3 from call number 3. Number 4 again from call number 3. Sentence number 5 from call number 4, as you see. Number 6, call number 4. 7, call 5. And 8 from call number 6. Please give yourself enough time. Thank you. You are welcome again. Now, after listening, please let's show the answers. Number 1, good. Sorry, could you repeat that? So, could. Number 2, yes, could. Could I have your name? This is here a request, kind of polite request. Could I have your name, please? Number 3, exactly. I'd like to cancel an order. Number 4, we have 2 gaps. The first one, do you think you could tell me the model number? Also, this is the same way of polite request. Do you think you could tell me the model number? Here, it's a polite request. The assistant wants the customer to give her some details, so she uses, as you heard, she uses a polite request. Do you think you could tell me? Number 5, yes, I'd like some information. Number 6, exactly. Would you like me to send? Number 7, shall I put you through to the service department? And the last one, would you mind telling me? And here I want to tell you that after would you mind, we should use a gerund. Gerund means the verb with ing. We can't say, would you mind tell? After mind, after the word mind, we should use the verb with the ing form. Now, please go to page 23, exercise number 6, which is the last exercise in our lesson. Look at the chart and complete this phone conversation. This is a comparison between 2 earphones. Look at the left here, we have dimensions, weight, screen size, capacity, battery, and charging time. We have 2 kinds of earphones. We have classic and we have Phonorama. Look at the details for each one, dimensions. Look at the weight. Look at the screen size, capacity, battery, and charging time. Please study the table carefully before going to the next part of the same exercise, which is to complete the conversation. Thank you for studying the table. Now, I think that you have answered this exercise. Let's now read the sentences and complete the gaps. What's the difference between the classic and the Phonorama earphones? Well, the Phonorama is much thinner. Look, the word is thin, but we use the comparative form as we studied in the previous lesson, if you remember. Thin becomes thinner, and here there's a spelling rule or spelling tip here that we should double in. Thin is 1 N, but now thinner, it's double N, then we add the ER. Okay, so thinner than. Why thinner? Look at Phonorama, it's 96 times 52 times 9.7 millimeters. But the classic, it's 115. Look, it's bigger, it's thicker. 52 here, 61. For Phonorama, 9.7 here, 11.6. So Phonorama is thinner. It's thin, and that's why we use thinner. It's only 9.7 millimeters thick. I see. And what about the weight? Look at the weight here. We have 135 grams, and the Phonorama is 94 grams only. So look at B. The Phonorama is much, exactly, it's lighter. It's 94 only, but the other one is 135, so it's lighter. Lighter, we add ER, than the classic. It weighs only 94 grams. Now, okay, what about the screen size. Look at the screen size, 88.9 millimeters, and here the Phonorama is 72. So I say the screen of the Phonorama is much smaller, exactly, smaller. It's only 72 millimeters across. Okay, now A, number 4, I prefer a bigger screen size, bigger. I want to watch movies on it. I will order the Classic. The Classic is, the screen of the Classic is bigger. Yes, certainly. Which one would you like? The 8 GB one or the 12 GB one? A, he said, the 12 GB one, please. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video, and I want to remind you to go to Teams application and answer the exercise within 24 hours.